In this video, we're going to learn how to check if a string is a binary number using Python. So we can also call this kind of string a binary string. The string should consist of only 0 and 1 characters. The first thing we'll do is prompt the user to enter a potential binary string. So we'll call the input function and we'll pass it the string enter binary number. This will prompt the user with the text enter binary number, and the text the user enters is going to be returned by the input function as a string. We'll store that string into a variable called binary. Then, to check if this string is a binary string, we'll check to see that all the characters in the string are 0 or 1. Now there's actually many ways to solve this problem. I'm going to show you one way to solve this problem involving what's called a list comprehension. We can use a list comprehension to build a list of true or false items based on examining each character in the string to determine if that character is 0 or 1 or neither. So for our list comprehension, we'll have the item true if the character C is in the string containing 0 and 1. Otherwise, we'll have the item false for each character C in the string binary. And so this list comprehension is going to produce a list of true or false items. We're going to look at each character in the string binary, which we'll call C. And if that character is either 0 or 1, then we'll add a true item to the list. Otherwise, we'll add a false item to the list. So only if all the items in the list are true do we have a binary number. Let's actually first print out this list to see it. So we'll call print and we'll pass it the list as an argument to output it. We'll save the program and try it out. And if we enter in 1010, we get here all true items in the list. And that's because all the characters in the string are either 0 or 1. Let's try it again. This time we'll enter in 10208. And this time for this digit 1, we get true. And for this digit 0, we get true. But for this digit here 2, we get false. And for 8, we also get false. So what we'll do is check to see if all the items in the list are true. Because if they are, that tells us we do have a binary string. Now there's a built-in all function which can do this. So if we pass the all function this list, it's only going to return true if all the items in the list are true. So if this returns true, then we do have a binary string. And we'll output here binary string. Otherwise, we'll output here not a binary string. Now, if we try it out and enter in, let's say 1010, we get binary string. If we enter in 10208, we then get not a binary string. So this is how we can check if a string is a binary string using Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.